Hello, my name is Paul Sandoval. I'm the Parts and Service Director at Toyota of Santa Fe, and we're having a big tire sale this month. Buy 3 tires, get 1 for $1. It applies to any Toyota or Scion vehicle. Also, we're having some great incentives from tire manufacturers, which are combinable with any of the Buy 3 event tires. We have a general tires. If you buy 4 tires, you get a $70 Visa prepaid card. If you buy 4 Goodyear tires, you get up to a $70 prepaid MasterCard. And also on Yokohamas, if you buy 4 tires, you get a $100 gift certificate. If you buy hand-cooked tires, there's an $80 prepaid MasterCard. And all these are specific model lines, so you have to call in. We'll tell you if the tires you want are available. To get you even more discounts, we're willing to do that for you. Just a call or stop by. We'll check your tires for free. We'll let you know if you need some tires. If you do, let's get you a great deal. Thank you. This is Paul Sandoval from Toyota of Santa Fe. We got some great tire deals for you. We welcome you to come in where you have some buddies in the service department.